Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 27th of February. And first of all, national news. Prashant Kishore said actor Vijay is new hope for Tamil Nadu. Earthquake of magnitude 5 hit Assam. Tigress that attacked two people allegedly beaten to death by villagers in Uttar Pradesh. India conducted successful flight trial of Naval anti-ship missile. Over 1.3 crore took holy dip on final day of Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. Nothing wrong in working 18 hours a day if it makes you happy, AIMS chief. And now some international news. Work paused on Asian highway due to Myanmar's situation. S. Jaishankar. Donald Trump may become face of new $250 bill. Trump aims to cut around 65% of staff at US Environmental Agency. Donald Trump held first cabinet meeting in second term. Elon Musk attended. Invite to Zelensky to meet Trump may not make sense. White House official. And now some sports news. Afghanistan register historic win. Knock England out of Champions Trophy. Indian cricket team skipper MS Dhoni has sent the internet into frenzy with a cryptic message over his IPL. No truth, Pakistan stars blunt take on retirement rumors after Champions Trophy 2025 exit. Now news related to business. Tesla shared sink below $1 trillion as European auto sales slump. NCLT asked RCAP lenders to complete all procedural issues by March 12. EPFO likely to reduce interest rate for financial year 25 in Friday board meeting. And that's all in news. Thank you.